Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to DFYN Network for practically free. First of all, you're going to go to your Binance wallet, click Overview, and you're going to click on your USDT, click Withdrawal, then you're going to go to the drop down, click USDT, go over to Ascendex, go to Total Assets, click Deposit, select USDT, and we're going to use the TRC20 network because it's much cheaper than ERC20. Just copy that deposit address, go back over to Binance, paste that address. Now it'll say TRC20 Tron network. Put in max amount or whatever amount you want. Look at that, $1 USDT fee, which is practically nothing compared to a $20 ERC20 fee. Click Withdrawal, continue. Now I've went through the quick security verification, submit. Once your withdrawal is completed, go over to Ascendex. Now you can see the USDT is in your account. Now all you have to do is go to Trade, look up USDC. Now we're going to put in a market order. $100 buy USDC. They received our order. You could also do a limit if you wanted to try to snag a deal. Now you go over to My Asset, click Cash Account, and here you will have an overview of all your assets within the DEX. And it looks like the USDC is available now. Note that I have $4.84 of USDT left. It didn't purchase all of it. Now you click Withdrawal. And here is your withdrawal menu. Make sure that the USDT is here in this box. Now you have a list of available networks to withdraw to. Look at this. Here's the regular Ethereum. Look at that fee, $39.94. We're going to go to Matic Network, which brings that fee down to $3. Then we're going to go over to our MetaMask wallet, which I downloaded a Firefox extension so I can use it within my browser. Very, very helpful. Make sure we're on the Matic network in the wallet. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video that'll show you how to set that up. And you find your wallet address right here. Copy to clipboard. Go back to the withdrawal page and paste that address here. Now you put the amount, all, confirm. Then you'll have a withdrawal confirmation page. Confirm again. Now that we're verified, your withdrawal request was successfully submitted. Now it's being processed. Okay guys, we waited a few minutes. Now we're going back to the page. Looks like the withdrawal was a success. Now to double check and confirm, let's go over to our MetaMask wallet. Scroll it down, and our 43 USDC is there. We transferred 46, so minus the $3 fee, we have 43 left. Now let's go over to DFYN exchange. Now that we sent it over to Matic Network, we can now trade on the exchange. We'll go to the top drop down box, confirm that the USDC is in fact in there. There it is. Now you're ready to trade on DFYN Network for like extremely minimal fees. If you found this video helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. Thank you and goodbye.